हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अर्शी अंसारी। और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द एप्रिसिएशन। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, बट यार सब्सक्राइब भी तो करो, प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब ब्रो, एवरीबॉडी। सो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हमारा चैप्टर 3, रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ। और छोटा सा चैप्टर है, क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है और इजी भी है, इतना हार्ड नहीं है। मुझे पर्सनल बेसिस पे एक दो जगह पे डिफ़िकल्टी होती है, इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं होती इसमें, ठीक है। और उसको अगर मैं अच्छे से याद करूँ तो मैं क्वेश्चन हमेशा सही करूँ, बट मेरी दिक्कत है कि मेरे से याद किया जाता नहीं है और आई एम अ वेरी बैड इन दिस। तो अब मुझे उस चीज़ पे अपने ऊपर काम करना है एंड आई विल लव अगर आप लोग भी वो चीज़ याद करो और आपका भी फ़ायदा ही होगा। सो फर्स्ट इज रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम एंड स्ट्रेटजीज। सरकार वरकार के बारे में बताएंगे इसमें कि क्या किया क्या नहीं किया, सब कुछ। बर्थ कंट्रोल मेथड्स सारे, मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन, अबॉर्शन के बारे में, सेक्सुअल ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज, इनफर्टिलिटी, सारी मतलब बेसिक चीज़ें ही हैं, इतनी कुछ मतलब उलटूल नहीं है, ठीक है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। यू हैव लर्नड अबाउट ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन सिस्टम एंड इट्स फंक्शन इन चैप्टर 2। नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अ क्लोजली रिलेटेड टॉपिक, रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ। जैसे कि हमने पिछले चैप्टर में पढ़ा रिप्रोडक्ट ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में सब कुछ, अब उससे ही एक रिलेटेड टॉपिक है रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ। What do we understand by this term? The term simply refer to healthy reproductive organs with normal functions. However, it has a broader perspective and include the emotional and social aspect of reproduction also. According to the World Health Organization, reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. Therefore, a society with people having physically and functionally normal reproductive organs and normal emotional and behavior, कहाँ खो गई मैं। Therefore, a society with people having physically and functionally normal reproductive organ and normal emotional and behavioral interaction among them in all sex related aspect might be called reproductively healthy. What is it significant to maintain reproductive health? That what are the methods taken up to achieve it? Let us examine them. फर्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारे पास रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स एंड स्ट्रेटेजीज। इंडिया वाज अमंग द फर्स्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड टू इनिशिएट एक्शन प्लान। और क्यों ना हो, क्योंकि इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है तो ऑब्वियसली करना पड़ेगा, उस पर कोई ना कोई एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा, कोई प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा। एंड प्रोग्राम एट अ नेशनल लेवल टू अटेन टोटल रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ एज अ सोशल गोल। दीज प्रोग्राम कॉल्ड फैमिली प्लानिंग वर इनिशिएटेड इन 1951। देख रहे हो, तब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना था उसी ईयर में, and were periodically assessed over the past decades. Improved program covering wider reproduction related areas are currently in operation under the popular name reproductive and child health care programs, creating awareness among people about various reproductive related aspects and provide facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society are the major tasks under these programs. Obviously यही सब चीज़ें होंगी। विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑडियो विजुअल एंड प्रिंट मीडिया, गवर्नमेंट एंड नॉन गवर्नमेंटल एजेंसीज हैव टेकन वेरियस स्टेप टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल अबाउट रिप्रोडक्शन रिलेटेड एक्सपेक्ट्स। जैसे कि हम दो हमारे दो स्लोगन वगैरह, बहुत चीज़ें हैं ऐसी, ठीक है। Parents, other close relative, teacher and friends also have a major role in the dissemination of the above information. लोग बात करना पसंद नहीं करते about all these things और इतना awkward situation बना देते हैं। तो ये यही कह रहे हैं कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, सब सारे लोगों को इस बारे में बात करनी चाहिए, टॉक इट आउट। Introduction of sex education in schools should also be encouraged to provide right information to the young so as to discourage children from believing in myths and having misconception about sex related aspects। ये होता है ये young age वाले बच्चों में। Proper information about reproductive organs, adolescents and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practice, sexually transmitted disease, AIDS, etc. would help people, especially those in the adolescent age group, to lead a reproductively healthy life. Educating people, especially fertile couple and those in marriageable age group, about available birth control option, care of pregnant mother, postnatal care of the mother, and child importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunities for the male and female child, etc. would address the importance of bringing up socially conscious, healthy families of desired size, awareness of problem due to uncontrolled population growth, social levels like sex abuse and sex related crime, etc. need to be created to enable people to think and take up necessary steps to prevent them and thereby build up a socially responsible and healthy society. All basic knowledge. Successful implementation of various action plan to attain reproductive health requires strong infrastructural facilities, professional expertise, and material support. These are essential to provide medical assistance and care to people in reproduction related problems like pregnancy, delivery, STDs, abortion, contraception, menstrual problem, infertility, etc. Implantation of better technique and new strategies from time to time are also required to provide more efficient care and assistance to people. Statutory ban on amniocentesis for sex determination to illegally check increasing menace of female feticide. amniocentesis में क्या होता है, फ्लूइड ले लीजिए, फीटस के अराउंड जो फ्लूइड होता है उसको ले लेते हैं और उसमें बार बॉडीज चेक करते हैं. बार बॉडीज बेसिकली एक्स क्रोमोसोम को ही कंसीडर किया जाता है. अब कभी कभी तो ये टेस्ट सही भी होता है, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई डिसीज होता है जैसे क्लिनफ्लेंटर वगैरह, ये सारी जो अभी हम आगे चैप्टर्स में पढ़ेंगे, नेक्स्ट चैप्टर वही है ना, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस में पढ़ेंगे, तो वो उसको भी डिटेक्ट करके कभी कभी बताए. अब क्या होता है कि मेल होगा तो उसमें अदर देन एक्स, जो एक्स क्रोमोसोम होते हैं ना वो बार बॉडी में कंसीडर होते हैं. तो अगर मेल होगा तो उसमें तो अदर देन एक्स होगा ही नहीं, तो 0 बार बॉडी हो गई, एक्स और वाई सिर्फ इतना ही होगा. और फीमेल होती है तो एक एक्स तो जो कंसीडर हो गया वो हो गया, और जो दूसरी वाली तो एक एक्स रह जाता है, वो एक को बार बॉडी कंसीडर करते हैं तो हो गया फीमेल. बट ऐसा सब केसेस में नहीं होता, ठीक है. तो इट्स नॉट प्रॉपरली भी लाइक कि भाई हाँ इससे कंफर्म हो ही जाएगा. मतलब ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि भाई मेल हो और उसमें कुछ डिफेक्ट हो, कुछ डिसीज़ हो, या फीमेल हो तो उसमें कुछ डिसीज़ हो, ठीक है. इतना हमारे इसमें डिटेल में नहीं है इस बारे में, तो नहीं घुसते हैं इसमें. फॉर सेक्स डिसमिनेशन ये पढ़ लिया. Massive child immunization, etc. are some programs that merit mention in this connection. In amniocentesis, some of the amniotic fluid of the developing fetus is taken to analyze the fetal cell, and ये वही बोल रहे हैं जो मैंने कहा, and dissolved substances. This procedure is used to test for the presence of certain genetic disorders such as Down syndrome, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, etc. Determine the survivability of the fetus. Research of various reproduction related areas are encouraged and supported by governmental and non-governmental agencies to find out new method and how to improve upon the existing one. Do you know that Sahelia, a new oral contraceptive for the female, was developed by scientists at Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow? ये क्वेश्चन आता है, इसकी फुल फॉर्म भी आती है, और किस से रिलेटेड ये सहेली ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल है फीमेल्स के लिए, कहाँ डेवलप हुई, ये लिंक करके भी क्वेश्चन कभी कभी आ जाता है. बेटर अवेयरनेस अबाउट सेक्स रिलेटेड मैटर्स, इंक्रीज नंबर ऑफ मेडिकली असिस्टेड डिलीवरीज एंड बेटर पोस्टनेटल केयर लीडिंग टू डिक्रीज maternal and infant mortality rate, increase number of couple with small families, better detection and cure of STDs, and overall increase medical facilities for all sex related problem, etc. all indicate improved reproductive health of the society. और ये क्वेश्चन PYQ में भी आया हुआ है, ये वाला जो मैं बता रही हूँ ना, रिलेट करके कि सहेली का कहाँ पे डेवलप हुई, ऐसे करके ये आया हुआ है. 3.2 है पॉपुलेशन स्टेबलाइजेशन एंड बर्थ कंट्रोल. In the last century, an all-around development in various fields significantly improved the quality of the life of the people. However, increased health facilities along with better living conditions had an explosive impact on the growth of population. The world population, which was around 2 billion in 1900, rocketed to about 6 billion by 2000 and 7.2 billion in 2011. देख रहे हो कितनी जल्दी 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 इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है. इसलिए तो एक्शन लिया उन्होंने, और एक्शन लेने के बाद भी, एक्शन तो 1951 में ही ले लिया गया था. A similar trend was observed in India too, ठीक है. ये पूरे वर्ल्ड की बताइए। अच्छा, ये पूरे वर्ल्ड की पॉपुलेशन इतनी जल्दी इंक्रीज हो रही है, बट ये कह रहे हैं कि इंडिया में भी इतनी ही जल्दी फास्ट रेट पे इंक्रीज होती है। आवर पॉपुलेशन वाज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 350 मिलियन एट द टाइम ऑफ आवर इंडिपेंडेंस, रीच क्लोज टू द बिलियन मार्क बाय 2000 एंड क्रॉस 1.2 बिलियन इन May 2011. A rapid decline in the death rate. वो अच्छी बात है, डेथ रेट कम हो रहा है, बट बर्थ रेट बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है। Maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate as well as an increase in number of people in reproducible age are probable reason for this. Through our reproductive child health program, though we could bring down the population growth rate, it was only marginal. According to the 2011 census report, the population growth rate was less than 2%, that is 20 by 1,000 per year. A rate at which our population could increase rapidly, such an alarming growth rate could lead to an absolute scarcity of even the basic requirement, that is food, shelter and clothing, in spite of significant programs made in those areas. Therefore, the government was forced to take up serious measures to check this population growth rate. The most important step to overcome this problem is to motivate smaller families by using various contraceptive methods. You might have seen advertisement in the media as well as poster, bill, etc. showing a happy couple with two children with the slogan "हम दो हमारे दो, we too are too many." Couple, mostly the young urban working ones, have even adopted an one child norm. Statutory ban raising of marriageable age of the female to 18 and that of the males to 21, and incentive given to couple with small families are two of the other measures taken to tackle this problem. Let us describe some of the common used contraceptive method which help prevent unwanted pregnancies. An ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, effective and reversible with no or least side effect. It also should in no way interfere with the sexual drive, desire and or the sexual act of the user. A wide range of contraceptive methods are presently available which could be broadly grouped into the following categories, namely natural, traditional, barrier, IUDs, oral contraceptive, injectables, implant and surgical methods. Easy है, इतना कुछ hard नहीं है इसमें. Natural method work on the principle of avoiding chances of ovum and sperm meeting. Periodic abstinence is one such method in which the couple avoid to abstain from coitus from day 10 to 17. इसको fertile window बोलते हैं, इसलिए इस बीच में copulation करना is not safe if they don't want child. ठीक है. Of the menstrual cycle when ovulation could be expected, as chances of fertilization are very high during this period, it is called fertile period. Therefore, by abstaining from coitus during this period, conception could be prevented. इस बीच में कुछ ना करें, बाद में करना है तो कर ले. Withdrawal or coitus interruptus is another method in which the male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation so as to avoid insemination. Lactational amenorrhea, absence of menstruation method, is based on the fact that ovulation and therefore the cycle do not occur during the period of intense lactation following parturition. Therefore, as long as the mother breastfeeds the child fully, chances of conception are almost nil. However, this period has been reported to be effective only up to a maximum period of 6 months following parturition, as no medicine or devices are used in these methods. Side effects are almost nil. Chances of failure, though, of this method are also high. नेचुरल मेथड है तो कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. यू कैन प्रिडिक्ट योर इंटरनल बॉडी कि अब ये हो रहा होगा या अब ये हो रहा होगा, इसलिए इतना सक्सेस रेट नहीं है नेचुरल मेथड का. इन बैरियर मेथड, ओवम एंड स्पर्म आर प्रिवेंटेड फ्रॉम फिजिकली मीटिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ बैरियर. सच मेथड आर अवेलेबल फॉर बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल. कॉन्डम फिगर 3.1a-b में दिखाई गई हैं. फॉर फीमेल इज दिस and for male is this. Are barrier made of thin rubber latex sheath that are used to cover the penis in the female and vagina and cervix in the penis in the male or vagina and cervix in the female just before coitus, so that the ejaculated semen would not enter into the female genital female reproductive tract. This can prevent conception. Rose is a popular brand of condom for the male. Use of condom has increased in recent years due to the additional benefit of protecting the user from contracting STIs and AIDS. Both the male and the female condom are disposable, can be self-inserted, and thereby gives privacy to the user. Diaphragm, cervical caps, and vaults are also barriers made of rubber that are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. They prevent conception by blocking the entry of sperm through the cervix. They are reusable. Spermicidal jellies, spermicidal creams, jellies, and foams are usually used along with these barriers to increase their contraceptive efficiency. Another effective and popular method is the use of intrauterine devices. इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होने वाली चीज़, these devices are inserted by doctor और expert nurses in the uterus through vagina. इस पर क्वेश्चन भी आता है, what is more accepted in India, ऐसे करके एक PYQ है, मुझे प्रॉपर याद नहीं है, बट एक PYQ है और उसमें मोस्ट एक्सेप्टेड में IUDs आता है. Answer: these devices are inserted by doctors or expert nurse in the uterus through vagina. These IUDs are presently available as non-immediated IUDs, lips loops, copper releasing IUDs, CUT, CU7, copper T, copper 7, multilode 375, and the hormone releasing IUDs, progesterone, LNG20, figure 3.2. IUDs increase, figure देख ली, ये T shape है, T shape. IUDs increase phagocytosis of sperm within the uterus, and the copper ion release suppress the sperm motility and the fertilizing capacity of sperms. क्वेश्चन देख लो, इस पे भी आता है, ठीक है. मैच द फॉलोइंग इसी साल आया था क्वेश्चन, और मुझे बहुत कंफ्यूजन होती है इसमें. इस पे भी आता है कि क्या करता है IUDs, ये भी आता है, इम्पोर्टेंट है ये भी, इम्पोर्टेंट, ठीक है ना. आगे बढ़ते हैं. द हार्मोन रिलीजिंग IUDs इन एडिशन मेक द यूट्रस अनसुटेबल फॉर इम्प्लांटेशन एंड द cervix hostile to the sperm. IUDs are ideal contraceptive for the female who want to delay pregnancy or space children. It is one of the most widely accepted method of contraception in India. आ गई वही line. Oral administration of small doses of either progestogens or progestogen-estrogen combination is another contraceptive method used by the female. They are used in the form of tablet and hence are popularly called the pills. Pills have to be taken daily for a period of 21 days, starting preferably within the first 5 days of menstrual cycle. After a gap of 7 days during which menstruation occur, it has to be repeated in the same pattern till the female desire to prevent conception. They inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent retard entry of sperm. Pill are very effective with lesser side effect and are well accepted by the females. Saheli, the new oral contraceptive for the female, contain a non-steroidal preparation. It is once a week pill with very few side effect and high contraceptive value. अब इसे बनाने की ज़रूरत इसलिए पड़ी होगी कि रोज़ रोज़ गोली कौन खाएगा. 21 डेज तक खानी है, फिर 7 डेज की गैप करना है, ये बहुत झंझट वाली, इसलिए ये बनाई होगी. और फिर ये नॉन स्टेरॉइडल भी है तो इसके साइड इफेक्ट्स और ज़्यादा कम होंगे. Progestogens alone or in combination with estrogen can also be used by female as injections or implant under the skin. Their mode of action is similar to that of pill and their effective period are much longer. Implants की फिगर दिखाई होगी यहाँ, ये implants. Administration of progesterone or progestogen-estrogen combination of IUDs within 72 hours of coitus have been found to be very effective as emergency contraceptive. इस पे भी क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है. As they could be used to avoid possible pregnancy due to rape or casual unprotected intercourse. Surgical method, also called sterilization, are generally advised for the male female partner as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancies. सर्जिकल इंटरवेंशन, इतना ऊपर नहीं जाना था भाई. व्हाट इज दिस बदतमीजी. Surgical intervention block gamete transport and thereby prevent conception. Sterilization procedure in the male is called vasectomy and that in the female called tubicotomy. Fallopian tube तो tubicotomy. Vast are difference तो vasectomy. बहुत easy याद करना. In vasectomy, a small part of vast difference is removed or tied up through a small incision on the scrotum, whereas in tubicotomy, a small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. These techniques are highly effective, but their reversibility is very poor. दोबारा आप वापस normalize नहीं कर सकते खुद को, दोबारा conceive करना पड़ा तो in case. ये वेसिकोटॉमी दिखा दिया, ट्यूबिकोटॉमी दिखा दिया, यहाँ से कट के बांध दिया, यहाँ से काट के बांध दिया. It needs to be emphasized that the selection of a suitable contraceptive method and its use should also always be undertaken in consultation with qualified medical professional. One must also remember that contraceptives are not regular requirement for the maintenance of reproductive health. In fact, they are practiced against a natural reproductive event, that is conception. Pregnancy, one is forced to use these method either to prevent pregnancy or to delay or space pregnancy due to personal reason. No doubt the widespread use of these methods have a significant role in checking uncontrolled growth of population. However, their possible ill effect like nausea, abdominal pain, breakthrough bleeding, irregular menstrual bleeding, or even breast cancer, though not very significantly, should not be totally ignored. Medical termination of pregnancy, abortion, intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion. Nearly 45 to 50 million MTPs, एक बार एलन के टेस्ट में क्वेश्चन देखा था PYQ का, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर आया था नहीं आया था, are performed in a year all over the world, which account of 1/5 of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. Whether to accept legalized MTP or not being debated upon in many countries due to emotional, ethical, religious and social issues involved in it. एक मूवी देखी थी रिलीजियस इशू से ध्यान आ रहा है, तो उसमें रिलीजियस क्रिश्चियन दिखाए थे, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द मूवी, और उसमें वो अबॉर्शन नहीं करवा रही थी बिकॉज शी वॉज सेइंग, कोई हॉलीवुड की मूवी थी, कि दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल टू द गॉड, मतलब उनके वहाँ पे नहीं अच्छा मानते होंगे, और भी जगह होंगे बट मुझे वो मूवी का सिनेरियो याद है. Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict condition to avoid its misuse. Such restrictions are all the more important to check indiscriminate and illegal female feticide, which are reported to be high in India. दहेज न देना पड़े इसलिए पहले ही मार दो लड़की, मांगते क्यों है पता नहीं लोग. खैर, why MTP? Obviously the answer is to get rid of unwanted pregnancy either due to casual and protective intercourse or failure of the contraceptive method used during coitus or rapes. MTP are also essential in certain cases where continuation of the pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal either to the mother or to the fetus or both. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि मम्मी और बच्चे में से किसी एक को, मतलब या फिर दोनों को ही थोड़ा वो होता है, तो उस केस में भी बचाने के लिए अबॉर्शन करवा सकते हैं. MTP आर कंसिडर रिलेटिवली सेफ ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर, दैट इज अपॉन 12 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. ये क्वेश्चन आया है, PYQ में भी आया. सेकेंड ट्राइमेस्टर अबॉर्शन आर मच मोर रिस्कियर. वन डिस्टर्बिंग One disturbing trend observed is that a majority of the MTP are performed illegally by unqualified quacks, which are not only unsafe but could be fatal too. डॉक्टर जी वाली मूवी में दिखाया है ये इलीगल वाली चीज. Another dangerous trend is the misuse of amniocentesis to determine the sex of the unborn child. Frequently, the fetus is found to be female. It is followed by MTP. This is totally against what is legal. Such practice should be avoided because these are dangerous both for the young mother and the fetus. Effective counseling on the need to avoid unprotected coitus and the risk factor involving in illegal abortion, as well as providing more health care facilities, could reverse the mentioned unhealthy trend. The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2017 was enacted by the Government of India with the intent of reducing the incidence of illegal abortion and consequent maternal mortality and morbidity. According to this act, a pregnancy may be terminated on certain considered ground within the first 12 weeks of pregnancy on the opinion of one registered medical practitioner if the pregnancy has lasted more than 12 weeks but fewer than 24 weeks. Two registered medical practitioner must be of the opinion formed in good faith that the required ground exists. The ground for such termination of pregnancy are the continuation of pregnancy would involve a risk to the life of the pregnant woman or of grave injury, physical or mental health, or there is a substantial risk that of the child were born it would suffer from such physical or mental abnormalities as to be seriously handicapped. Sexually transmitted disease, STIs, sexually transmitted infection एक ही बात है वैसे, disease, infection. STIs, infection or disease which are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called sexually transmitted infection or venereal disease or reproductive tract infection. Gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and of course the most discussed infection in the recent years, HIV leading to AIDS, are some of the common STIs. Among these, HIV infection is most dangerous and is discussed in detail in Chapter 7. चैप्टर 7 पहले तो इवोल्यूशन था, चैप्टर 7 अब एक हटा दो. नेक्स्ट ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिसीजेस. ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिसीजेस में हाँ ये है एड्स और कैंसर दोनों ही दिखाए हैं. सम ऑफ दीज इन्फेक्शन लाइक हेपेटाइटिस बी एंड HIV कैन ऑल्सो बी ट्रांसमिटेड बाय शेयरिंग ऑफ इंजेक्टेबल नीडल्स. क्वेश्चन आता है सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट एक्सेट्रा विद इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन, ट्रांसमिशन इन ब्लड एंड फ्रॉम एन इन्फेक्टेड मदर टू द fetus टू except for hepatitis B, genital herpes and HIV infection. Other diseases are completely curable. ये भी क्वेश्चन है उसमें PYQ में. If detected early and treated properly, early symptoms of most of these are minor and include itching, fluid discharge. कोई इतना ध्यान ही नहीं देता इन चीज़ों पे. Slight pain, swelling, etc. in the genital region. Infected female may often be asymptomatic and hence may remain undetected for long. Absence or less significant symptom in the early stages of infection and the social stigma attached to the STI deter the infected person from going for timely detection and proper treatment. This could lead to complications later, which include pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, abortion, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancy, infertility, or even cancer of the reproductive tract. This is dangerous, bro. STI are a major threat to a healthy society. Therefore, prevention or early detection and cure of these diseases are given prime consideration under the reproductive health care programs. Though all persons are vulnerable to these diseases, their incidences are reported to be very high among persons in the age group of 15 to 24 years. जवानी के जोश में ये सारी चीज़ें कॉमन हैं. The age group to which you also belong, देखा हम भी इस एज ग्रुप से बिलोंग करते हैं. सो बी सेफ. देयर इज नो रीजन टू पैनिक बिकॉज प्रिवेंशन इज पॉसिबल. वन could be free of these infection by following the simple principle given below. Avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner. Always try to use condom during coitus. In case of doubt, one should go to a qualified doctor for early detection and get complete treatment if diagnosed with infection. A discussion on reproductive health is incomplete without a mention of infertility. A large number of couples all over the world, including India, are infertile. That is, they are unable to produce child in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation. The reason for this could be many physical congenital disease, drugs, immunological, or even physiological, or even psychological. In India, often the female is blamed for the couple being childless. But हमने पिछले चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि मेल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल बिकॉज मेल हैव टू डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम एक्स एंड वाई बट फीमेल ओनली हैव एक्स एक्स. But more often that not, the problem lie in the male partner. Specialized healthcare unit in fertility clinic etc. could help in diagnosis and corrective treatment of some of these disorders and enable these couple to have child. However, where such correction are not possible, the couple could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies. इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन. अब इसमें भी मुझे कन्फ्यूजन होता है, मुझे दो ही जगह होता है, एक वो हार्मोन रिलीजिंग आईयूडी और दूसरी क्या थी, कॉपर रिलीजिंग आईयूडी, और ये इन विट्रो और इन वीवो, ये दो चीज़ों में मुझे कंफ्यूजन होता है. दैट आई हैव टू रिमेंबर, वो मैंने याद कर चुकी हूँ, ये मैं याद करूँगी अब. इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन, आईवीवी फर्टिलाइजेशन एट द आउटसाइड द बॉडी इज इन ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर कंडीशन एज दैट इन द बॉडी, फॉलोड बाय एम्ब्रियो ट्रांसफर. इन विट्रो में आता है एम्ब्रियो ट्रांसफर, जिफ्ट और आईयूटी. ठीक है, is one of such method. In this method, popularly known as test tube baby program, ova from the wife donor female and sperm from the husband donor male are collected and are induced to form zygote under simulated conditions in the laboratory. The zygote or early embryo with up to 8 blastomere could then be transformed into the fallopian tube. Zygote intrafallopian transfer in embryos with more than 8 blastomeres into the uterus. Intrauterine transfer to complete its further development. Embryo formed by in vivo fertilization, fusion of gamete within the female also could be used for such transfer to assist those female who cannot conceive. Okay, embryos formed by fusion of gamete within the female, यानी इसमें इन विवो इनसाइड द फीमेल, इन विट्रो जहाँ पे मेल और फीमेल गैमेट को बाहर ही फ्यूज करवा दिया जाता है. Transfer of an ovum collected from a donor into the fallopian tube, gamete intrafallopian transfer of another female who cannot produce one but one provides suitable environment for fertilization and further development is another method. Attempted intracytoplasmic sperm injection is another specialized procedure to form an embryo in the laboratory in which a sperm is directly injected into the ovum. Infertility cases, either due to inability of the male partner to inseminate the female or due to very low sperm count in the sperm count in the ejaculates, could be corrected by artificial insemination technique. In this technique, the semen collected either from the husband or a healthy donor is artificially introduced either into the vagina or into the uterus. Intrauterine insemination of the female. Though options are many, all these techniques require extremely high precision handling by specialized professionals and expensive instrumentation. Therefore, these facilities are presently available only in very few centers in the country. Obviously, their benefit is affordable to only a limited number of people. अब इस पे भी मुझे मूवी याद आ रही है, हर चीज़ पे ये क्या चैप्टर मूवी बेस्ड है क्या? गुड न्यूज़ वाली मूवी में ये दिखाया गया है आर्ट वाली चीज़ कि भाई आर्टिफिशियली कैसे कंसीव किया जाए, उसमें उनका इंटरचेंज भी हो जाता है. खैर दिस ये तो पढ़ लिया, ठीक है. ओनली लिमिटेड नंबर इमोशनल रीजंस, सोशल फैक्टर्स आर आल्सो deterrents in the adoption of these methods, since the ultimate aim of all these procedures to have children. In India, we have so many orphan and destitute children who would probably not survive till maturity unless taken care of. Our laws permit legal abortion, and it is as yet one of the best methods for couples looking for parenthood. अडॉप्ट कर लो, अगर ये चीज़ें नहीं करवाना है तो अडॉप्ट कर लो. ये एक्सपेंसिव है बट अडॉप्शन इज़ नॉट एक्सपेंसिव, वो लीगली जाकर अडॉप्ट कर सकते हो. रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ रेफर टू अ टोटल वेलबींग इन ऑल एक्सपेक्ट ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, दैट इज फिजिकल, इमोशनल, बिहेवियरल एंड सोशल. Our nation was the first nation to the world to initiate various action plan at national level towards attaining a reproductive healthy society. Counseling, creating awareness among people about reproductive organs, adolescence and associated changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted infections including AIDS etc. is the primary step towards reproductive health. Providing medical facilities and care to the problem like menstrual irregularities, pregnancy related aspects, delivery, medical termination of pregnancy, STI, birth control, infertility, Postnatal child and maternal management is another important aspect of the reproductive and child health care program. An overall improvement in reproductive health was taken place in our country as indicated by a reduced maternal and infant mortality rate, early detection and cure of STI, assistance to infertile couple, etc., improved health facilities and better living condition promoted an expensive growth of population. Such a growth necessitated intense propagation of contraception method. Various contraceptive options are available now, such as natural, traditional, barrier, IUDs, pill, injectables, implant, and surgical method. Though contraceptive are not regular requirement for reproductive health, one is forced to use them to avoid pregnancy or to delay or space pregnancy. Medical termination of pregnancy is legalized in our country. MTP is generally performed to get rid of unwanted pregnancies due to rape, casual relationship, etc., as also in case when the continuation of pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal to either the mother or the fetus or both. Infection or disease transmitted through sexual intercourse are called sexually transmitted disease or sexually transmitted infection. Pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, stillbirth, infertility are some of the complications of them. Early detection facilitate better cure of these diseases. Avoiding sexual intercourse with unknown multiple partner, use of condom during coitus are some of the example precautions to avoid contracting STI. Inability to conceive or produce children even after 2 years of unprotected sex. Cohabitation is called infertility. Various methods are now available to help such couple. In vitro fertilization followed by transfer of embryo into the female genital tract is one such method and is commonly known as the test tube baby program. चैप्टर होता है डन 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 करेक्ट द फॉलोइंग. इतना कुछ है नहीं, ट्रू फॉल्स टाइप है तो कर ही लेना. अबॉर्शन कोड हैपन स्पॉन्टेनियसली टू, हाँ हो सकता है, कभी कभी हो जाता है. Infertility is defined as the inability to produce a viable offspring and is always due to abnormality defect in the female partner. False by false. Complete lactation could help as a natural method of contraception. Complete lactation could help as a natural method of, हो सकता है, true. Create awareness about sex-related aspects is an effective method to improve reproductive health of the people. हाँ true. Correct the following. Surgical method of contraception prevent gamete formation. नहीं ये तो gamete formation. Contraception prevent, उसको पाथ से जाने नहीं देता, उस पाथ को ही मतलब बीच में से कट कर दिया जाता है ना, वो वहां तक जाने नहीं जाती देता, बट बनता तो है. मतलब जैसे ट्यूबेक्टोमी किसी ने करवाई, उसको मेंसेस आएंगे क्योंकि वो ओवम अंदर बना है बट अंदर बन के डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका है. ऐसे ही अगर वजाइना में स्पर्म जाएंगे तो वो वहां तक पहुंच नहीं पाएंगे क्योंकि बीच में से रास्ता इज कटेड ऑफ. ऑल सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिसीज आर कम्प्लीटली क्योरेबल. नहीं, सारी नहीं, कुछ कुछ होती हैं जो अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ी, कुछ कुछ नहीं होती जो हमने पढ़ी और बाकी सारी होती हैं, तो एक्सेप्शन है, तो ये भी नहीं है. ओरल पिल्स आर वेरी पॉपुलर कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव अमंग द रूरल वुमेन्स. नहीं, अमंग द अर्बन वुमेन. शहर वाले लोग ले पाते हैं, गांव वालों को इतनी नॉलेज नहीं हो पाती. इन ईटी टेक्निक्स एम्ब्रियो आर ऑलवेज ट्रांसफर इनटू द यूट्रस. नहीं, ऑलवेज ट्रांसफर इनटू द यूट्रस नहीं, डिपेंड ऑन द सिचुएशन. ऊपर दिखा देते हैं लास्ट वाला. 8 ब्लास्टोमेयर्स तक तो फिलोपियन में ट्रांसफर किया जाता है. मोर देन 8 होते हैं तो यूट्रस में. बाकी चैप्टर पूरा डन हो चुका है. अच्छे से पढ़िए आप लोग भी, हम भी पढ़ ही रहे हैं. और लाइक शेयर एंड डू सब्सक्राइब. भाई लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हैं, दैट्स नॉट फेयर. डू सब्सक्राइब, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब. आई एम डूइंग अ लॉट फॉर यू ऑल गाइस.